Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through how you can get the transcripts from Fathom and put them into make.com. Reason why this helps is because if you want to transform the transcripts, you want to see what the most common questions you're getting asked are, you want to create follow-up emails, this automation will help you do that. So let's just go ahead and jump into Zapier. So once you're inside of Zapier, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go have a trigger event, then you're going to go have an action. The action will be a webhook that you'll be able to push the transcript into make.com. So to get this kicked off, you're going to need to select Fathom. For the trigger event, you're looking for new transcript. Press continue. I believe that you might have the option to select if you want it to be your meetings or your team's meetings. Okay, we'll click continue, and then we'll be able to test it. So what's going to go happen now is I'm going to go select a sample record here, and I'm going to go continue with this for the example. I'm going to set up a webhook. And what we're looking for here in the action event is a post. Once we have that, we can click continue. And now what we'll need to do is to input the URL of our receiving webhook. To get that, we're going to have to go into make.com. We'll click into the add a module option. We can select custom webhook from the top right here. And now we'll be able to add a new one. Let's just say that this will be Okay, that looks good. And now we have an address here that we could use to input into Zapier. To get the data into Make, we're going to have to send over a couple of fields. For this example, I'll send over the title and then also the transcript. To do that, we're going to go add these tiles here. And I'm just pressing / so that they could pop up. And we'll also send over the transcript. We'll give them names. And we'll be able to test it in just a moment so that we could actually set up the webhook so that it's listening for the ping. We're going to go click run once over here. And then we'll send this ping over to Make. We'd be able to transform it now. If we want to create a meeting summary, we could go into OpenAI here. We'll go ahead and do create a completion. And now what we could do is we'll use ChatGPT 4.0. We'll give it a system prompt. You are a smart and helpful assistant who provides meeting summaries from transcript. We're going to go now add a user prompt. We're going to go add in the actual meeting transcript that we'll reference to later. And because this is an example, we will go pretty easy on the prompt. You are a... I'll go ahead and pause this so that you don't have to see me type it out. So I typed it out. I wrote, you are an executive assistant who converts meeting transcripts into detailed meeting notes. You need to outline the following. Provide an overview of what happened from the call in 15 words. Also outline what the next steps are in 10 words. And then we provide the meeting transcript. So let's go ahead and run this. So we're going to go click run once here. And we're also just going to go resend that ping. So now that you can see the AI is working and clicking into it, you can see that we now have next steps. And then you also have an overview of the meeting. Now, this isn't supposed to be a long video of how you could transform that data. It was just mostly to show you how you could get the transcripts from Fathom into Make. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.